here at Blackwell Horse Camp Trail. And I don't know what the cave's called, but cave. Yeah. Just got done hiking in it. Well, not hiking in it, but kind of crawling in it. But I really like the harmonics, so we're gonna jam out in here so I don't fall first. Woo! Listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat, singing to the earth inside the mother's womb is where we're rebirth. Listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat, in tune with the ways of the moon. Let your emotions spill out, rebirthing from the mother's womb. Rise up and sing to all that can be. Listen to the rhythm of the mother's heart beat. Listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat, aligning with the mother earth. Listen to your ebb and flow of your ocean.